we are on to make the announcements of results that we have tabulated in Form 36B. Form 36B is a form prepared by the returning officer. It is a consolidation. It is a consolidation of Form 36S. Please, I want attention. Tulianza hii kazi kitambo sana, nawaomba tafadhali, nawaomba. Tumechoka sana, tunataka kwenda kupumzika. Hii ilikuwa ni msafara mrefu sana. Wengine wetu hii tulianza hii msafara miezi 4 iliyopita, 4 months ago. So we are very tired. At least we have come to the end of this activity. Finally, I want to announce the final results, which I have tabulated into Form 36B. Total results. I will announce the total results for every candidate. I will begin with Abdul Wahab Sheikh Osman Hade. Alijumudu na alijipatia kura 1,806. Abdul Wahab Sheikh Osman Hade managed to garner 1,806 votes. We have Hussein Dabo Maalim, who has managed to garner 27 votes. And finally, I have Mohammed Ali Sheikh, who has managed to garner 1,961 votes. With all due respect, I want Honorable Mohammed Ali Sheikh to step forward. Mohammed, as you look for this, I want to now officially declare Mohammed Ali Sheikh as the duly elected member of Upper Kaile County Assembly Ward. So with all due respect, I want you to come forward with your national, Honorable Mohammed, come forward with your national identity card.